I think I'm gonna start making some lunch. Look at all this lovely charcoal. It's nice having a big thing of charcoal to cook over. For lunch, I've got a Cornish pasty that I'm going to bake in the coals. It's a handheld version of a meat pie from the southwest of England. Now we got to set the rivets. This is the sketchiest part. These are just 1/4-inch steel rods, and they stick out just a little bit further than the wood. And when you smash them with a hammer, they'll mushroom on the end, and that'll squeeze the wood to the handle and make everything set.